Hi, this is Pankaj Sharma. Today I am discussing how I write technical writing documentation part 2. In my last video, I discussed about requirement and analysis. If you have not watched my part 1, please do watch it. I, as a technical writer, give most importance on how to design a product documentation to bring an amazing customer experience. So now I will explain my technical writing design experience in detail. I design table of contents, which is termed as TOC. TOC is an outline of all the topics covered in a product documentation. Designing table of content is the base of any product documentation. And the more effective is your TOC, the more attractive your product documentation would be. I also design TOC for multi-level headings to segment different level of information. For example, first level heading, second level heading, third level heading, fourth level heading, and so on. I also design my TOC with page numbers to navigate for desired information with a click of button. Table of content brings a big picture of product documentation in a structured manner. I, as a technical writer, design cover page of product documentation. Cover page is one of the most important features of a user guide. I design cover page for product name, product version, company name, company logo, client name, client logo, and I also design chapters in product documentation. For every chapter, I design headers and footers with chapter name, product name, page numbers. Headers and footers are designed with fonts, font size, font color, and text alignments. I use page breaks to segment different chapter names. I design heading styles, list for multi-level headings. Multi-level headings are used to bring an eye-catching reader experience and to differentiate different product features. I also design tables of figures for table headers and captions. I also design normal font size, font style, font color to use in the entire product documentation. I design index page for font styles. This is how I create a base design for product documentation that sets the standard respective to client requirements. Template designing is one of the important features in product documentation, and I always design a template which I could use in different product documentations as a base, and if I wish I could modify a template or even create different templates for different product documentations. Template is a document which brings all the specifications about how to design a product documentation. In designing product documentation, style guide plays a very crucial role. I usually use Microsoft Manual of Style Guide in product documentation. In other scenarios, I design a customized product style guide that features English grammar, tone of writing, and audience analysis. Style guide is very crucial to make standardized product documentation which sets the quality and how customer would feel the product documentation, reading experience. This is how I design a product documentation in technical writing. I try to explain my experience of design in depth for writing a documentation, and this is my how I write technical writing documentation part 2, and in next video I will explain how to develop content for product documentation. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Pankaj Writings, and if you like to read more on technical writing, do check out my newsletter. Link is in description below. With this, I, Pankaj Sharma, signing off.